Looking me dead in my eyes, you see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, we go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks.
If you guys would like to see how I got this installed in my head, then continue watching throughout the whole video. I will show you how I've done everything from the bleaching to installing. So the only thing I did not show was me braiding my hair, because you pretty much can braid your hair however you want. Most people I see, if they do not know how to braid, they will usually put it into a low ponytail and put their weave cap on and then install it. But I just did me maybe like 10 braids under my wig, and that was it. Everybody, or majority of everybody's video that I come across when they are doing videos, they're basically just showing you guys how they install it, and they claim that they're going to give a hair update for the hair video, but they usually do not never give a hair update. So I am here to go ahead and give a hair, I said her. I'm over speaking in my accent, but I am here to give you guys a hair review. It has been, I want to say, going on, this is going on a full 2.5 weeks. I want to say going into 3, and the hair has been holding up very well. Like I say, it is curly hair, so it's minimum shedding. It's not overly shedded. Like I have ordered hair from Amazon, like kinky curly hair sheds a lot from Amazon, but this hair is minimum, and I like that because it's not always shedding. If it's shedding, you get like a couple strings, but other than that, the kinky curly, I try my best to stay away from that when coming to Amazon. So enough about me blabbering, but let's just get into it. I want to say this is 180 density or 150, but of course when it dries, I literally just got out the shower maybe like 15 minutes ago, so the hair has kind of dried up. I will let you all see it, but it is so freaking cute, you guys. I will upload pictures and videos at the end of my video, so you can actually see how the hair looks like down below my back, because I feel like you all can't see how my hair looks. But if you all like this video already, give it a thumbs up, and if you're already here, go ahead and subscribe, and do not mind that because it is the 4th of July, so they are popping fireworks. But like I said, hit that subscribe button. You already came here, you watched it this far, you may as well go ahead and subscribe. Come in and get into this video. Let's see how we can slay this in less than 20 minutes. So